Traffic signs. Let's learn common traffic signs and symbols. Stop sign. Red octagonal sign means stop. This sign tells them to stop and wait until they can continue safely. Crosswalk. Zebra crossing. The white strip line on the road where it's safe to cross the street. Speed limit sign. This sign shows the maximum speed cars should go in that area. No U-turn sign. This sign means car can't turn around. No entry sign. This sign means they can't go that way. School zone sign. This sign means they must be extra careful because they are near a school. Bike lane sign. This sign marks a special lane just for bikes. Railroad crossing. This sign with a train and they should be cautious around railroad tracks. No pedestrian sign. This sign means they are not allowed to walk or cross the road in that area. It's not safe for pedestrians. No bicycle sign. This sign means they cannot ride their bicycles in that area. It's not safe for biking. Road work ahead sign. This sign means people are working on the road ahead. Signal ahead sign. This sign looks like a set of traffic lights. It means there's a traffic signal, red, yellow and green lights up ahead. Red means stop, yellow means slow down and get ready to stop. Green means go. Children crossing sign. This sign means that children might be crossing the road ahead. No left turn sign. This sign means that they are not allowed to turn their vehicle or bicycle to the left in that area. No overtaking sign. This sign means they should not try to drive or pass another vehicle at that moment. Two-way traffic sign. This sign typically shows two arrows, one pointing in each direction. There will be cars or other vehicles traveling towards them from both the left and right sides of the road. No horn sign. This sign often shows a picture of a horn with a red circle and a line through it, indicating that a horn is not allowed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.